Disassembly and assembly of DCT380 transmission repairable part. Remove the transmission external accessory. Place the transmission assembly smoothly. Remove the filler plug. And remove the plug washer. Remove the breather plug. Remove the speed sensor fixing bolt. Remove speed sensor assembly. Remove the clutch temperature speed sensor fixing bolt. Remove the clutch temperature speed sensor assembly. Remove 3 drain plugs from transmission. And remove washer. Remove 5 fixing bolts from filter cooling module. And remove filter cooling module assembly. Using large slotted screwdriver, pry off input shaft cover plate assembly. Remove the hydraulic system assembly. Remove 11 fixing bolts from valve body cover. Remove the valve body cover assembly. Remove 3 fixing clips from cylinder block wire harness. Remove 4 connectors from hydraulic system assembly. Remove 14 fixing bolts from hydraulic system. Remove hydraulic system with HCU closing box taking bar EPT0029. Remove oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 2. Oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 3. Oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 1 and oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 4. Remove seal ring of each connecting pipe assembly. Disconnect the sensor integrated module B connector. Disconnect the sensor integrated module A connector. Remove fixing bolt and sensor integrated module B. Remove 4 fixing bolts and sensor integrated module A. Caution, do not drop bolt into transmission. Remove 2 fixing bolts from cylinder block wire harness. And remove cylinder block wire harness assembly. Remove the dual clutch assembly. Remove clutch guide block snap ring with snap spring calipers. Take guide block out. Remove clutch snap ring with snap spring calipers. Remove the clutch adjusting shim. Remove seal cover fixing snap spring with slotted screwdriver. Take the seal cover assembly out. Install clutch hang tool DCT380 on dual clutch assembly. Take dual clutch assembly out. Remove the drive shaft oil seal. Pry off drive shaft oil seal on main case side with slotted screwdriver. Pry off drive shaft oil seal on clutch case side with slotted screwdriver. Install the drive shaft oil seal. Replace drive shaft oil seal on main case side with a new one, and apply with transmission oil. Install drive shaft oil seal on main case side in place with oil seal special tool. Replace drive shaft oil seal on clutch case side with a new one, and apply with transmission oil. Install drive shaft oil seal on clutch case side in place with oil seal special tool. Install the dual clutch assembly. Using clutch hang tool to install dual clutch assembly. Remove the clutch hang tool DCT380. Install clutch cover assembly oil seal protective sleeve DCT380 on clutch guide block. Install the clutch seal cover in place. Remove the clutch cover assembly oil seal protective sleeve DCT380. Clamp the seal cover fixing snap spring, and fix clamp in place with clutch shaft seal cover assembly to DCT0034. Reset dial indicator. Measure the clearance H between the end face of clutch and end face of input shaft snap spring groove with clutch measuring tool TPT0031. Select the appropriate clutch adjustment shim according to the rules. The rules are shown in the figure below. Install the selected clutch adjustment shim on clutch assembly. Install clutch snap spring in a proper position with clutch snap spring mounting guide block EPT0032 and clutch snap spring mounting socket EPT0033. Install the guide block. Install the guide block snap spring. Install the hydraulic system assembly. Pass cylinder block wire harness assembly through transmission case and install it. Install and tighten two fixing bolts of cylinder block wire harness, tightening torque 2 to 3 Newton meters. Install the sensor integrated module A. Install and tighten 4 fixing bolts of integrated module A, tightening torque 8 to 10 Newton meters. Install the sensor integrated module B. Install and tighten fixing bolt of integrated module B, tightening torque 8 to 10 Newton meters. Connect the sensor integrated module A. Connector. Connect the sensor integrated module B. Connector. Replace the valve body connecting pipe O-ring with a new one, and apply with transmission oil. Install oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 2. Oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 3. Oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 1 and oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 4. Caution, diameters of oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 1 and oil pump valve body connecting pipe assembly 4 are same, but the length is not the same. Do not install in mistake. When properly installed, both connecting pipe assemblies are at the same height. Install hydraulic system in place with HCU closing box taking bar EPT0029. Caution when closing HCU. Pay attention to adjust position of cylinder block wire harness. Do not damage cylinder block wire harness. Take HCU closing box taking bar EPT0029 out after installing hydraulic system. Install and tighten 14 fixing bolts of hydraulic system in a diagonal manner, tightening torque 4 plus or minus 0.5 Newton meters, plus 90 plus or minus 2 degrees. Connect 4 connectors of hydraulic system assembly. Install 3 fixing clips of cylinder block wire harness. Install the valve body cover assembly. Install and tighten 11 fixing bolts of valve body cover in a diagonal manner, tightening torque 8 to 10 Newton meters. Install the transmission external accessory. Install filter cooling module assembly. Install and tighten 5 fixing bolts of filter cooling module, tightening torque 8 to 10 Newton meters. Replace drain plug washer with a new one. Install and tighten drain plug, tightening torque 60-66 Newton meters. Install the clutch temperature speed sensor assembly. Install and tighten fixing bolt of clutch temperature speed sensor, tightening torque 8-10 Newton meters. Install the speed sensor assembly. Install and tighten fixing bolt of speed sensor, tightening torque 8 to 10 Newton meters. Install the breather plug assembly with a proper tool. After installing breather plug in place, distance which its height is higher than case is shown in the figure below. Place the transmission assembly smoothly. Replace the filler plug washer. Install and tighten filler plug, tightening torque 60-66 Newton meters. Replace input shaft cover plate with a new one. Install input shaft cover plate with input shaft cover plate knock Thule PT0030.